Tired of seeing that old card pop up in Afterpay? Let's securely remove it in under 2 minutes. First things first, unlock your phone and tap on your Afterpay app to open it. Once the app is loaded, you'll want to head to your account by tapping the profile icon, usually found on the bottom right corner of your screen. In your account section, look for an option that says Payment Methods, Stored Payments, or Card Management. Give that a tap. Here, you'll see all the payment methods currently linked to your Afterpay account. Find the specific card or bank account you wish to remove. Tap on the payment method you want to delete. This will usually bring up more details about that specific payment option. Now, look for an option like Edit, Manage, or directly a Remove or Delete button. Once you tap that, Afterpay will ask you to confirm your decision to remove this payment method. Carefully review the prompt. It might say something like, "Are you sure you want to remove this card?" Tap the confirmation button, usually labeled Remove or Confirm, to finalize the deletion. And just like that, your old payment method is gone from your Afterpay account. You can repeat these steps for any other payment options you wish to update or remove. Managing your payment methods is key to a smooth Afterpay experience. Stay secure and happy shopping.